that one. So that is also our learning objective 9. So let's move further. So here we know that our sales 100,000 for the quarter, right, which include April, May, June. You can also find out through sales budget, right? Cost of goods sold, we know that cost of goods sold is 4.99. we just multiply with the number of units here. It's 499,000. So this would be our gross margin. Selling and administrative expenses, it comes from selling and admin expenses here. So this is our operating income, and interest expense is 2,000, which comes from cash budget, right? So that is our net income, 239,000. And after having prepared income statement, let's prepare the budgeted balance sheet. So in order to make the balance sheet, you must be prepared the budgeted income statement. So the Royal Company has reported that the land is 50,000, common stock is 200,000, retained earnings till April 1 or before April 1 or 31st of March is one and the same thing, is 146,150, and equipment cost 175,000. So let's make that one. So assets, which include cash comes from cash budget, right? Account receivable, so this receivable, it is the 25% of June's sales that's going to be received in July. So that is our account receivable. Raw material inventory on hand, which is 11,500 pounds. We multiply it with that is the ending inventory of raw material. We multiply it with its cost, for 600. Finished goods inventory 5,000 units multiplied by 4.99, which is coming from finished goods inventory budget, which is 24,950. Land and equipment is here. So our total equipment, total assets is 564,550, right? And the liabilities and equity side, we have accounts payable. It means 50% of the June is to be paid in July, so that is accounts payable. So still have to pay, that is outstanding one, 28,400. Common stock is given here, and retained earnings, we know that the before 1st April retained earnings plus the net income from income statement, it is 336,150, right? So that exactly match our total assets. So this is the Royal balance sheet. So again, so where this came from, we made a mistake, a little mistake from our previous slides. So I'm just going to repeat it that. So it came from April 1st, April, that is 146, 150. We have net income is 239,000, and on cash budgets we have write it down that we have paid dividend, which is 49,000. So this amount is 336,150, right? So that's how this amount came from.